Imagine it's your first day at work and your manager asks you to introduce yourself to your colleagues. Even experienced employees can sometimes feel nervous about speaking in front of a group of people. If you're a recent graduate with limited or no work experience and find it challenging to make a strong first impression, this video is for you. What's up everybody? Welcome back to English Smarter with Jane. In today's video, I'll share a simple guide with practical tips for delivering an impressive self-introduction at work. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First, let's examine an example of introduction from a fresh graduate starting as a high school teacher. This introduction is brief yet precise, focusing on important and relevant details about her new role. To help you better understand, I've divided the structure into 3 parts. Please feel free to adjust this format to best suit your own situation. Let's begin with an introductory part. Good morning everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm excited to join the English department as a new high school teacher. It's always polite to begin a speech with greetings. In a formal setting, you can use a greeting expression such as hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, rather than hi. And then this can be followed by your name and position. Alright, let's move on to the second part. I recently graduated from ABC University with a degree in English education. During my studies, I focused on adolescence literacy and effective teaching strategies. I completed several student teaching placements in local schools where I gained valuable experience in classroom management, lesson planning, and differentiated instruction. I'm passionate about helping students develop a love of reading and writing, and I'm excited to apply my skills and knowledge to create engaging and effective learning experiences for my students. The second part is the body, where you will briefly discuss your educational background and express your enthusiasm. These are the key details that everybody would like to hear from you. In the educational background, there are 2 things to cover: the courses or the degrees that you completed, and any relevant academic achievement or skills. If you have more than 1 university degree, only mention those that are related to your job. Try to keep the information concise and focused because people appreciate brief and pertinent information. When expressing your enthusiasm, communicate your goal and passion. Why is this important? It not only shows that you are truly excited about the new role, but also helps build rapport with your prospective colleagues and supervisor. Additionally, it signals that you are committed to making a difference and contributing to the team's success. Okay, now we are ready to move on to the closing. Thank you for bringing me on board. I look forward to working with all of you. You can conclude your speech by expressing your gratitude for the opportunity to join the team in order to show your appreciation and courtesy. To sum up, try to focus on highlighting your transferable skill, express your enthusiasm, and emphasize your eagerness to learn when introducing yourself. What is more, try to keep the information simple and concise. Another thing to remember is a key to a successful introduction is to be genuine, enthusiastic, and confident. That's it for today. I hope you find this guide helpful, and by following the tips that I share in today's video, you will be able to make a positive first impression and set the stage for your successful career. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!